Annapolis Boat Show. What more can you ask for? Beautiful weather out here. Head on over to Puster's. Come on up the steps for party.
Baby.
Hi.
Going to Annapolis Boat Show?
Yeah, we are.
Woo!
Look at all this sailboats.
This is gonna be awesome. I'm gonna get so many mints and koozies, it's gonna be crazy. I've done boat shows for years and years.
I want all the accoutrements.
And I'm out of koozies, mints, and chapsticks. Those of you who know, you know.
Hi, we're Josh and Tamara, and this is our 46-foot sailboat, Honu Time. We're a couple Canadians that traded land life to become full-time cruisers.
This is fun stuff.
Over the past year, we've been working tirelessly to get her shipshape and ready for new adventures on warm, crystal blue waters. Join us every Friday as we bring our 01 boat back to the 21st century and have a lot of fun along the way. Thanks for being a part of our journey.
Look at you! Hi, guys!
I am. I was at the Fireman show.
Refreshments.
Yes.
Lots of talking and walking today.
Yeah.
Had a lot of fun last night at the Cruiser Awards.
We had the opportunity to attend the first annual International Cruisers Award in the Best Emerging YouTube Channel category. It was presented by the Young Cruisers Association and hosted by Riley and Alana of Vagabond. There was so much talent in the room that night, from channels that we've been watching for years to people just like us that are just getting started.
Big party going on in there.
Boy, did they know how to throw one heck of a party. Thank you to all of the people that put in the hard work to make this happen. It was a memorable evening and we can't wait for next year.
Today we're just sourcing out a couple things that we want to upgrade over the next 12, 16, 24 months.
Talk to some vendors,
Yeah.
get some information.
And it's neat because everything changes so rapidly in this industry. So what you think you know 6 months ago has changed completely in 6 months. So,
Yes.
yeah. But it's been a great day. Now we're going to go walk on some new boats
And dream.
and get some two-footitis going on. Right?
Yes.
Yeah. Let's carry on.
It's a great day today.
Beautiful. Annapolis Boat Show 2022.
It's been a long-term goal of ours to attend the Annapolis Boat Show, and we're finally here. Let me tell you, it definitely lived up to the hype. The weather was perfect, and the experience couldn't have been better. From vendors to manufacturers, there was no shortage of eye candy.
These are Ubers.
Sailboat Ubers.
Where's my Uber?
They call it a lift.
Okay, let's go, baby. You
Ready?
You done? You had enough?
I don't know, we could get 6 oyster shooters.
We could.
Possible.
Maybe. What an awesome day. So busy.
It's been fantastic.
It has.
That was their choice.
Which is the absolute
Woo! See you later, Annapolis. See you later. That was a fun time. Really good show. We had so much fun. Nice to get all the big boats and see what's new and exciting in the world of sailing.
It was so fun. It was neat to get on some of the boats that we've only seen in video.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, check out this street.
Yeah, this is a cool spot. Look at it. So you leave that little spot right there where all the bars and restaurants are, and then you walk up this. Look at these historic houses and stuff. It's beautiful. Cheers.
Cheers.
Welcome to Storytime.
Oh, this is new. Excellent.
This one's a little food for thought. The man doesn't know there is a snake underneath. The woman doesn't know that there is a stone crushing the man. The woman thinks, I'm going to fall, and I can't climb because the snake is going to bite me. Why can't the man use a little more strength to pull me up? The man thinks, I am in so much pain, yet I'm still pulling you as much as I can. Why don't you try and climb a little harder? The moral. You can't see the pressure the other person is under, and the other person can't see the pain you're in. This is life. Whether it's with work, family, feelings, friends, we should try to understand each other, learn to think differently, perhaps more clearly, and communicate better. A little thought and patience goes a long way.
Good story time. Uh-huh.
Does that help explain it? Right? See this? The rock, the snake. Pull a little harder.
Climb a little bit.
Right? Thanks for joining.
Story time with Josh and Tamara.
Getting ready to go help. Hi.
Sorry.
So it's okay. We're just getting ready to go do some stuff to help out up at the marina office here, or at the shop rather. This weekend's gonna be bananas. So
Yeah.
this Oysterfest thing is as big as it gets here. So
And
we're
it's the 56th.
it says right here, I think.
It is the
The
65th
65th annual
Urbana.
Oysterfest, and it's exciting.
Yeah.
And
The boats are just pouring in right now.
Oh,
Everyone
yeah.
that was on the docks here that didn't have a pre-booked slip from like a year out had to hightail it out today. So they're moored out in the creek. And then this has just been filling up with boats all morning long.
It's
And
crazy.
the sailboats and there's a pirate ship that we're going to go take a look at later out there.
Yeah,
they
they
came
came
in
in-
yesterday with all their sails.
all of them, and they had people climbing the masts and timing everything up and stuff.
Yeah.
So we're like, oh, we gotta go check. They're firing
Yeah.
cannons off and stuff. So
Yeah.
it's pretty cool.
Yeah, I
but
hope
it's
they do
getting
that
busy.
again because I want to see it. I want to get it on film
Yeah,
because that was neat.
that was super cool.
Yeah.
And the parking lot's filling up. There's usually like 2 cars in the parking lot. There isn't a place to park anymore. There's
There's
motorhomes
RVs,
coming in,
yeah.
people setting up camp stuff, and it's gonna be bananas.
It's crazy.
It doesn't even start till tomorrow night.
No, but
So-
you got to get ready. You got to get primed. This is
Apparently the
Party Central.
pre-party starts tonight, and we're getting excited to
Yeah.
go to that. So
Yeah.
we're gonna go take a tour around, do a little bit of help. We're gonna go fix a sailboat, get some power to it that we helped move the other day.
And then we have to build a stage.
And then we're building a stage for the band.
Yay.
Let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, let me welcome you to Urbana, Virginia's 56th annual Oysterfest.
Gorgeous boats. Yup. Little hatches. Riggers are hard at work. Oh, crazy. It's fantastic. Oh my God, what a boat.
Welcome to the 65th Oysterfest. This is bananas here.
It's crazy.
Wow. There's beer gardens, wine pavilions, all kinds of
Get your picture
seafood.
with an oyster.
Yeah, totally. Yeah, art show, there's musicians. It's awesome.
Yeah.
Man, this is crazy.
It is.
Yeah. We're gonna wander
They weren't
around.
kidding when they said that there was a lot of people that come here.
Yeah, like we've heard different numbers, anywhere from 50 to 80,000. Talking to some folks, so the record for here over a weekend is 210,000 people. They figured that this weekend, because of the great weather and post-COVID and all that, they'll break that record. So it's 100 times more than the population. How nuts is that?
That's crazy.
It's so crazy. And tonight, I think there's a big fire truck parade. We're gonna check that out too. Yeah, look at this, just a sea of people.
sunshine, hey, before my sun will run burning. Don't you go so slow? How can I roll, roll, roll when we're from home?
Just pounded a dozen oysters, and now we're getting a concert.
Yeah, awesome.
That's all right. This is crazy.
This thing just keeps going and going. It's amazing.
And oyster jewelry?
Yes.
Hey?
That's the
That's hard
weirdest
to
thing
say.
in the world.
Oyster jewelry. It's easier if you use an accent.
There you go.
But there's
Everyone's got their oyster beads on.
yeah, there's like beads of oysters and pearls and all this stuff. It's cool.
Yeah. Even special cornhole bags.
Right there. Lisa's cornhole bags.
It's a big thing.
It is.
Who knew?
Yeah. It's crab balls.
Okay.
There's my comments.
There's a rudder, hey?
Like coming in here so narrow, you don't.
That's
Insane.
awesome. Some gourmet action going on here. Look at this. These are cheese, spinach,
Special sauce.
special sauce.
Guacamole, homemade.
Special sauce and cheese.
Triple cheese.
Triple cheese.
Special sauce and straight up special sauce.
Oh.
And the maestro behind all of this awesomeness.
Champion.
These are fantastic.
Uh-huh.
Some grilled oysters.
Those look good.
They look fantastic.
As you know, we're here in Urbana, Virginia. We've been doing all our work at the marina here on our boat. When we got here, everyone said, make sure you stay until Oysterfest. Well, now we know why. We've had 2 days of this already, but this is an incredible event. So this is the 65th year. It all started in 1957 when a group of individuals came into a town council meeting here, requested $150 to start an annual festival. They called it Urbana Fest. That's since morphed into the Urbana Oyster Festival, which is on its 65th year now. It's incredible. The record we heard was that over a 2-day period, they figure about 210,000 people came through this town. This is a town of about 25 to 4,000 people, depending on the time of year. The locals here are amazing people. It's literally your Mayberry town in the south. It's beautiful. We've absolutely loved it. Everyone's taken us under their wing, invited us for dinner, loaned us their cars. This boatyard, in fact, has just been an incredible place for us to be at. We couldn't have done all of the work here without the help of the staff here. Jimmy is so knowledgeable. If you're ever in the area and you need any help, call here, ask for him. He'll drop whatever he's doing to help you. He's an awesome guy. We're coming back here again for sure. This place is amazing. The things that we've seen today, though, are these pop-up parties like in the shop here. We'll walk you through there. There's, I think he's got 16 pulled pork butts in the smoker. He's feeding people walking by. There's a band setting up inside. We'll see that later tonight. It's been amazing, and it's all free of charge. It's just sharing. It's just sharing and being neighborly. It's such a cool experience. Come on.
So it's barbecue tonight. The band is just starting to set up. Everyone's having oysters and wicked pork butt, smoked meat. Check this out. It's gonna be crazy in here tonight. This is the Oyster Shuck'n station. Are you guys timing yourselves? How many you can do?
They are machines. They're showing me how to do it.
Lordy.
What do you got in there, Hannah?
Smoked deviled eggs.
Check those out.
only tasted.
Oh boy.
I only tasted this before.
Fireman's Parade is an exciting parade that features over 80 units from all over the state, including everything from giant ladder trucks to small bush trucks, ambulances, and historic fire vehicles from the past. The volunteer men and women participating in this parade unselfishly serve to protect property and lives every day. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. It's a great way to support our channel. And let us know what you think in the comments section. We love hearing from you. If you'd like to show a bit more support, hit us up on our Patreon page for tons of extras and real-time weekly updates. I'll pop the link in the description below. Love you guys.
And I can officially say we have
Done Oysterfest.
yeah, and we're oystered out.
Big time.
I'm good for a bit now. Yeah.
That was an amazing, it's a 3-day event. It was, we rallied up again last night, but we were ready for bed around 8:30.
Yeah. Long days.
Yeah.
Lots of fun. Oh my God, this is cool. This has got to be on your bucket list of things to do once in your life. It is so cool.
Yeah.
See this little town transform. Anyway, we're gonna spend the rest of the day today just doing little jobs around here, getting Honey ready to go, drink some coffee this morning, and watch the exodus as the probably 100 extra yachts and boats in the marina here leave to go back to their home.
Leave our little creek. Yeah. It's cool.
It's very cool. Thanks for joining us on this crazy ride today.
Yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe and add comments if you want to.
Tell your friends.
Tell your friends, share.
We need all the support we can get. Gotta fix the freezer today.
Gotta fix the freezer today. Oh my God, you'll see that later. It is a disaster zone. I'm worried that we're gonna have to get it recharged or replaced.
Me too.
So
it's not working the best.
We're gonna defrost it and we're gonna hope for the best, and then we'll go from there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So wish us luck.
See you later. Bye.
Bye.
You know what's done when your brisket wiggles.
Here a little bit.
Jesus!
Jesus!
That look good?
You wait till I make jalapeno.
So what's happening with this now? You got sauce on your macaroni?
This is homemade mac and cheese, all the way from scratch, and then we're going to put it in the smoker.
Nice.
I made it real and everything.
Thank God. Baby!
Hi, baby.
What do you got going on?
The spiciest jalapenos ever.
Ripping it! Get into it, baby.
Oh, look at that.
You're like a pro at this now.
I know, right? And I never did it until yesterday.
Nice. Yeah. My turn.
Okay, go.
As you know, we are here in Urbana, Virginia. As you know, we are here in Urbana. As you know, we're here in Urbana, Virginia.
Want to see how all this craziness began? Here's a great place to start binge watching.